reason why I want to adjust my emergency parking brake is because it is no longer engaging. And so when I engage the parking brake and put it on drive or neutral, the parking brake is not effectively engaging. As you could see, it just keeps on going. And so let's cut to the chase. Tires removed. Remove the caliper mounting bolt and the bracket bolt with 17mm socket. Always remember, safety is paramount. Make sure to block the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Always use jack stands to support the vehicle securely. You don't have to remove the caliper and the tire if adjusting the cable tension was enough to fully engage the e-brake. In my case, I had to remove the tire and the disc/drum brake to clean it off and lubricate so that I can break the star wheel loose. Set this process aside and proceed to adjusting the tension. Cable tension is adjusted at the pedal. All parking brake systems are self-adjusting, however, additional adjustment may be needed in the event of cable stretch as the vehicle ages. The pedal should apply the parking brake within the numbers of clicks as specified. In this case, the parking brake pedal travel should be 6 to 9 clicks. If the pedal applies the parking brake system in less than the specified number of clicks, the cable is too tight. If it travels more, the cable is too loose. Here's an example of clicks you will hear. I adjusted mine up to 9 clicks with a very good tension. After adjusting the cable tension, proceed to adjust the parking brake shoe. It is done by turning the star wheel adjuster. Clicking it up will tighten the shoe and clicking it down will loosen the grip of the shoe. Adjust just enough so that you can still slide the disc brake in. After installing the disc/drum brake, adjust the star wheel adjuster through the hole located at the 5 o'clock position for the rear left. And for the rear right, it is on the 7 o'clock position. Adjust until the shoe locks against the drum. Then back the star wheel adjuster off 4 to 8 full clips. Apply the brake a couple times, then turn the rotor by hand. It should rotate smoothly and install the rubber plug. If it doesn't, repeat the process until it does. It took me a few times to get the emergency brake to properly engage. That means after installing everything, I had to remove it again, readjust, then repeat until I got it right. After numerous testing, readjustments, and tons of patience, parking brake adjustment success. Emergency parking brake engage and drive engage. Truck not moving. Awesome. Truck on a slope. Emergency parking engage, transmission on neutral. Yes. It's holding up. Once again, thank you all for watching and supporting this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.